This is what I'm doing right now. I'm cleaning up this bed here. This is bed for the carrot. I'm gonna put carrot in this area. So I'm cleaning out the grass out of it, and then prepare it to put in some carrot. So we continue and do what we're doing here now. Working, you can't do much talking, but so we're gonna finish up this bed. And then get in some carrot. This is some part of it I love to do. You know, the vegetables, I love doing that. So I had myself prepare a nice place for this, where it's sunny and they're open. Hiya. assume that would be night, so when I do and just fuck up the land to sow the seed. Clean off the grass. So I soften it up and plow it up now for put in the seed. That's part of the preparing. You do it like this, and you sprinkle the seed. You sprinkle the seed now, the seed will, and the rain fall. It's just below the dirt now, and the dirt cover them. Not too deep, but cover them so that they will come. So, this is why I'm doing it this way. For planting something like carrot. Lot to go. prepare the land, you know, for sow. Yeah, well, you gotta eat, so this is planting. We're gonna roast. This morning we're gonna roast some things. Fire burning. So this is a, see, I have a, it's a cocoa I'm roasting. Right there. There it is. Roasting that. This is planting from the field. Roasting. Good when they're roast. So go back to work until these are ready. I'm using the carrot seed, mixing it with the dirt, and I'm gonna sprinkle I'm gonna mix the carrot seed in the dirt here, stir it up, and then I'm gonna go through the bed and sow it right through the bed with the dirt, so that you probably get an equal. Sowing the seeds now, carrot seeds. This is how we sow. This is how you sow the carrot. You know, the dirt way. Okay, I didn't sow all of it, so I'm gonna sow this piece later on. Later on, I clean this up and put in this amount rice. Bring this in there, and this rice up. So that's that for the carrot for now. So we're gonna wash it clean up and like that. Put some food on the fire to roast. So this is the cocoa, roasted, very tasty and good. Some of the hard food, you don't have to always cook it. You can roast, and you get a beautiful taste. And then you can use it with fried fish. So this is the way we, when you're in there, this is the way we eat. So this is like breakfast this morning. After doing some work, having a roast cocoa this morning for breakfast. Hot, very hot. Very delicious. That's what I like about the food in Jamaica. When you plant what you eat, very nice. Natural, no fertilizer, just natural. Roasted. This would be good now if you like saltfish. You roast a little piece of saltfish. Good nice piece of fleshy saltfish in the fire. Goes nice with this. When I finish eating, I'm going to go back to the field and do some onions, clean them out, and show you what the onion look like. But now I also have some roast plantain. Nice, sugary. Everybody love fried plantain. I love it both, roast and fry. This is roast plantain. Sometimes I think it's nicer than when it's fried, because you don't get too much oil or no oil at all in the plantain when it's roasted. As you can see, I'm not using a knife. It's my cutlass that I use work in the field. Clean it off, and it's good for using to peel and do things. So how yellow it is, it's kind of turned, so it's very soft and roasts very nicely. Very tasty. Eating, you know, this is smallest pepper ever grown. It's called the bird pepper. Hot, but if you like pepper when you're eating your food, this is the pepper, the real thing, the naturalist thing as pepper. This is native. Nothing was done to it by agriculture. This is a natural pepper. Cleans the inside of your stomach. It's very good for ulcer. Good for circulation. So when I see them, I plant them. I nurture them. That they give me what I want from it, the pepper. So having a meal this morning and go back to work. A little sweet, plantain is sweet, and the cocoa is fresh, so you a little sugar. Just nice. Enjoyable. Right, I'm dealing, finish doing the onion bed, cleaning around it, then get into it and clean up inside of it and get some air. Grass can't go around things. I have to remove the grass. After removing the grass. Now I'm gonna look at it for today. In the morning here it's rainish, so we're gonna ease off. So we continue. Like, subscribe, and we continue moving on to the next stage. So have a good day. Thank you.